A, B, C, G, E, this how you start the alphabets, nigga. Scratch the cereal off the Glock, we changed the alphabet killer. How you talking like you tough, but you got buck for a pill? And nigga, you know that was us that put your man in the spilter. Bitch, you fucking on the boss, I ain't no mouth in the middle. Every time I was the suspect, I wasn't never the victim. And if my shooter get too busy, I'ma have to come get you. Now they screaming R.I.P. and cons and posting your pictures. They beefing on them social sites, we don't get into that. They know I'm gangster everywhere except the internet. I'ma keep on sending shots every time that I see a threat. I'ma still zip that